What's up, online shoppers? If you're looking for a way to take your art projects to the next level, you've got to check out these metallic acrylic paint pens. Now you can use these for rock painting, for drawing on ceramics, on glass, on wood. They even work on canvas and fabric. This is a set of 3 silver and 3 gold, which gives you a lot of durability for a variety of different projects. Now they also include some little nibs for you that are extras. Here you have your 3 of each color. Now let's take these out and get them going, see what they look like. All you have to do to get these going is shake them, take the cap off. Now you can see here that the nib of this pen has no ink on it. That's because it hasn't been loaded. The ink is still waiting in the chamber of the pen. All you have to do to get the ink to load is pump it a few times, and the ink will come down and fill the tip of your pen with color. So there you go. There is your pen in action. Now you can do quite a few different things with this. You can hold the pen slightly differently and get a wider swoop of your pen. You can use dots and cover, and it is very, very fine. So you have lots of different options for this pen. Now that's the gold one in action. I'll show you the silver one. And here is the silver. It's very shiny and it dries opaque. So you are going to get that shine that still sticks and translates through on whatever artwork that you're doing. Now these are acid-free, they are non-toxic, and they are a water-based ink. So even if you happen to get them on your skin, they are going to wash off really easy, and they will wash off of clothes fairly easy too. If you are looking for a really great set of metallic markers, these acrylic paint pens for rock painting, stone, ceramic, glass, wood, fabric, and metal are truly awesome. They have lots of variety of tip widths as well, and they are definitely a family favorite at my house.